High electricity bill. Transitioning to solar energy offers substantial long-term savings on energy bills, making it a wise investment for both homeowners and businesses. Greenray Technologies is proud to facilitate this transition through the PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana, which enables eligible users to install rooftop solar systems with significant financial benefits. By adopting solar energy, households can reduce or even eliminate their electricity bills. With the potential to receive up to 300 free units of electricity monthly, families can experience immediate savings that accumulate over time. This reduction in energy costs allows households to allocate funds toward other essential needs, enhancing overall financial stability. For businesses, the long-term savings are equally compelling. By investing in solar solutions, companies can protect themselves from rising energy prices and unpredictable tariff hikes. The installation of solar systems not only reduces operational costs, but also improves cash flow, allowing businesses to reinvest in growth and innovation. Moreover, solar energy systems require minimal maintenance, further contributing to long-term savings. With Greenray Technologies' comprehensive annual maintenance plans, businesses and homeowners can ensure their systems operate efficiently, maximizing energy production and savings. In addition to direct savings, solar energy enhances property values. Homes and commercial properties equipped with solar systems are often more attractive to buyers, providing an added financial benefit when it comes time to sell. Greenray Technologies encourages individuals and businesses to consider the long-term financial advantages of solar energy. By embracing the sustainable solution today, stakeholders can secure significant savings on energy bills for years to come, ensuring a brighter financial. To solarize your roof, please reach us at 9840737474 or mail us at sales@greenraytechnologies.in.